Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best diesel injector cleaner in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best diesel injector cleaner that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Power Service Diesel Clean Plus Cetane Boost. A list of the best fuel injector cleaners is never complete without a Power Service Clean product. The Power Service Diesel Clean is available in a different formula. In this review, we only consider the Clean Plus Cetane Boost available in 6 bottles, 80 ounces. Regarded as one of the best products on the market, it does offer some pretty impressive features. For instance, using this product improves your vehicle's fuel economy by almost 8%, which is huge. Also, you get 6 bottles of the cleaner, which offers long-term usage since you can protect your engine without having to periodically buy an injector cleaner. Lastly, it works with any type of fuel system, which makes it a strong overall injector cleaner to use. Moving on at number 4, we have the Archoil AR6400D Diesel Fuel System Cleaner. The Archoil AR6400D Diesel Fuel System Cleaner cleans diesel injectors and turbos. It also comes with a performance-enhancing formula that improves the fuel usage efficiency of the vehicle, which results in smoother idle runs. The Archoil AR6400D also cleans dirty EGR and unclogs blocked DPFs. It comes in 12 ounces bottles, and each bottle can work with 40 gallons of fuel. The manufacturers recommend using a bottle after traveling every 5,000 miles. The product is suitable for all types of diesel fuel systems and helps solve any stiction issues that might arise in your engine's injector. This amazing clear also improves engine emissions and performance when in cold starting conditions. For struggling engines, you can use this product with the brand's full diesel treatment product for even better performance. At number 3, we have the Hot Shot Secret. There are lots of reasons to love this concentrated fuel injector cleaner from Hot Shots. It is capable of cleaning your vehicle's injector as well as the fuel tank and lines. The concentrated formula comes with components that remove excess water from your vehicle's system. This prevents rust from taking over on certain metal parts of the engine. The formula also stabilizes fuel in the injector. It comes with a cetane booster, which improves the overall performance of the engine. The product also contains a lubricant that lubricates injectors and fuel pumps in the engine. This prevents the fuel lines from corrosion and rust. Many hail this product as an all-purpose solution to any issues the fuel injector of your old engine might develop. At number 2, we have the Stanadyne Performance Formula Diesel Injector Cleaner. The Stanadyne Performance Formula Diesel Injector Cleaner is primarily designed for performance. It also helps lubricate the system components of your engine that relays fuel, which in turn prevents wear. The manufacturers recommend using it about 4 to 6 times every 2 months per year to prevent engine performance issues from arising. It contains hydrophobic chemicals which prevent moisture from accumulating in the engine when it is not working. This in turn limits the risk of certain parts of the engine rusting. A bottle of the Stanadyne Performance Formula Diesel Injector Cleaner can enhance 25 gallons of diesel, although the manufacturer claims it can work with 50 gallons. Unlike most products, the chemicals present are not too strong to affect engine parts if it spills. It is expensive, but you get a set of 4 bottles for long-term use. And finally, at number 1, we have the Lucas Fuel Treatment. Lucas Industries are one of the oldest and leading manufacturers of automotive parts and supplies. The Lucas Luke 10013 fuel treatment is designed to work and improve the performance of all types of engines. It also helps prevent further damage to the engine when it is already struggling. Available in gallon-sized bottles, each bottle is enough to treat about 400 gallons of diesel. The fuel cleaner is made using hydrophobic chemicals and additives. These interact with the particulate present in diesel. It also contains detergent in its formula which reacts with corroded parts and debris in the engine to clean it out. This formula regulates the sulfur content of the fuel in the engine while also allowing for a smooth flow of fuel in the engine. The chemicals used in this fuel injector cleaner are very strong. Hence, it might stain if it spills on the sensitive coats of other parts in the engine.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.